Croeso I Dolgellau. Welcome to Dolgellau. My name's Llynos Rowlands and I am the co-owner of Gwîn Dylanwad Wine with my husband, Dylan, and also Emma and Terry, who work here with us. We have run a business in Dolgellau since 1988, firstly as a restaurant, but now, since 2014, we have opened our own wine shop. We import most of our wines from Europe, but we sell wines from all over the world and especially from Wales as well. Dolgellau is a unique little town that's got a lot of heritage. It's got plenty of independent shops here to have a look at, lovely little places to eat, and it's famous for the music festival Sesiwn Fawr. We've also got the music centre, Shamas, where you can go and listen to live music. But live music is available all year round here, outside the pubs and inside some of our centres. There is also Cadair Idris that you can climb. So there's many other mountains in the area, but Cadair Idris is one of the favourites. And also you can do the town trail and learn about the heritage of the town and the beautiful buildings here. We do specialise in all sorts of produce from all over Europe. We sell foodstuffs from Italy and Spain, but we try and also focus very much on products from Wales. We have Tregroes waffles and the crackers to go with the Welsh cheeses that we sell, and many other products such as the jams and chutneys from Gwîn Farm just down the road. We have decided to join the scheme Neges Home. So if you decide to buy this box or buy it as a gift for somebody who's coming here to stay, you will receive a bottle of Welsh wine. I think this is the star of the show, really, from Montgomery, Trefaldwyn, just on the border. There's some Welsh coffee, roasted just up the road in Caernarfon. Tea from Tea Traders in West Wales. Jam from Gwîn Farm in Bondy, just down the road. Caws Cennarth, the Welsh cheese. Tregroes crackers, again, all Welsh produce. We've also included the town trail map, which has got lovely illustrations and a map showing you around some of our listed buildings, and there are many of them in the town. If you've really enjoyed the wine, and the other products, of course, then we have also included a voucher for 2 free glasses of wine if you call into the shop and sit down and relax in one of our upstairs rooms. There's a lovely sleeve that will encase the box with photographs of Castell Coch, and the link to that is, this was one of the first places in modern times to produce wine in Wales. That's going back to late Victorian times. And it's also got a map of all of the vineyards in Wales. There's 30 registered vineyards in Wales and it's growing. If you want to order this box, you can go online or give us a ring. We can deliver anywhere in the UK. There's free delivery for some postcodes. Just tap it in and you'll find out. I really hope you enjoy all these lovely treats in the box from Wales. Iechyd da.